If you go back to Grant Cardone's YouTube and go all the way down, he did Grant's rants. Dude, there's some with fucking 80 views and shit comments. He did them all day, every day. Boom, dropped them. And literally 12 years later, people are searching. Those videos come up. That leads them to who's Grant. There's a suggested video. There's more Grant Cardone. Next thing you know, they're fucking investing in Cardone Capital. You think that's magic? You think it's just Grant? It isn't just Grant. Tai Lopez does it. Now he's doing big deals with big brands. He spent a bunch of money on YouTube, so you saw his face a lot. And whether you hated him or liked him, dude, he branded himself. I'm here in my garage. Now he's fucking in Radio Shack, boardroom. So you guys can do the same thing. And yeah, Marisol, it takes a minute. You got to get better and better and better at it. But it starts out with, you can't be afraid of making a video, because that means you're afraid of what other people think. Make your statement the way you say it, the way you feel it, as long as you feel it. And the people in society that resonate will come, and the people that don't will say you're a fucking idiot, and they'll talk shit, and they'll make stupid posts. And what's funny about haters, guys, sometimes haters are 11-year-old dipshits. You're sitting there feeling bad because an 11-year-old said you're stupid, thinking, oh my God. Full-grown adults are thinking I'm an idiot. I better just shut up. And that's what people do. They stop posting. They stop making their statements. They stop doing this shit. They stop being seen, and they stop being known. They literally get silenced. And you guys, if nobody knows who you are, how are they going to buy anything from you? How are they going to reach out to you? How are they going to make a comment on your post if there isn't one?
I started following Brad Lee about 3-4 months ago. And he's been saying a lot of dope stuff on his podcast, which I've never sat down and listened to, but his clips are amazing. And I was like, man, this isn't somebody who is extremely well known, which has been my strategy for a while, but he is saying the truth. And I really, really enjoy his content. Eventually, I'm going to dissect it, because I know eventually he's going to say something I completely resonate with. This clip right here is probably the most accurate clip I have seen about my social media journey. Everything he said was true, literally. I'm going to break down how this ties into anybody who's an entrepreneur or music business. Some of the fears that, I don't want to say he skipped over, but he didn't expound on because it was a shorter clip. Because there's a lot of value here that you can take with you. I know a lot of y'all take notes on these videos. This might be one you should take notes on. But while you're getting out your pen and your pad, or your Apple Pencil and your iPad, make sure you click like. Make sure you click share. Make sure you click comment. Make sure you follow. Make sure you subscribe. It's going to be a good one.
My ducks, my swans, welcome to the pond.
My name is Dorian from Group82University.com, and right here we got the real Brad Lee talking about how Grant Cardone and Tai Lopez got so rich. I remember when I started doing this YouTube stuff, like, when I was trying to get my music video popping in 2016, I had no idea what I was doing, spending like $20 on ads and stuff, and watching and trying to learn about the game and the music business. And I kept seeing Tai Lopez on every video, every commercial, every ad. It was nonstop Tai Lopez. This dude was in his garage and in front of his Ferrari and his Lamborghini, and he was giving away MacBooks and trucks and $100,000. I'm like, what? This gotta be a scam. Like, it was just way too Ed McMahon, Publishers Clearinghouse, 29th and Martin Luther King, Indianapolis, Indiana, lottery type shit. Like, nigga, it was just so ridiculous. But you know what? I knew his name. I Googled him. I looked him up. Couldn't find nothing. I was going on a search. I was reading the message boards at the time that was talking about him and his courses and what he sold. And he did an outstanding job with his brand. Grant Cardone, the exact same way. A little bit different, but his branding was amazing. And that was my first introduction to this social media content game and how powerful it is. And to hear Brad talk about how Tai Lopez is now in Radio Shack, and I didn't know they were still around. And obviously Grant Cardone with Cardone Capital and what he's doing and stuff. I mean, making content can just open up so many doors and avenues that I didn't even really know existed through that method until I really started studying the game. But when you start making content, there's going to be people that doubt you. First, it's going to be the people around you. I stopped listening to the people around me when I was in high school. Them motherfuckers don't have no influence on any decision I make. So that was out the window. But then you start posting, and people want to laugh, and they want to laugh at your music. They want to laugh at at your videos. They will laugh at your pictures. They want to laugh at my ducks, my swans. They want to laugh at your graphics. Give a fuck, man. I'm putting out content, putting value in people's lives. These are commercials for my brand, and my baby girl is going to eat off of this forever. And that's exactly what the fuck is fucking happening. A lot of y'all stop because people are laughing at you. My dad told me something a long time ago. I was probably 6 or 7 when he said this. He said, Junior, you ain't gonna make everybody happy. And there's always gonna be somebody that got something to say. If you live your life trying to please everybody, you never gonna please yourself. My dad gave me a lot of great advice. He still does. But that is one of the best pieces of advice he ever gave me because it's the truth. I don't give a fuck what none of y'all think. And I love the pond. And y'all know I do. I see y'all in person. I love y'all. I love y'all comments. I love when y'all tell me how I'm impacting your life. I love when y'all start making y'all own money. Like, I love seeing y'all YouTube earnings. I love seeing when y'all chart on iTunes. I love this shit. I absolutely love it. But I don't give a fuck about y'all and what y'all think about me. I don't. I want y'all to win, but I want y'all to win in y'all own life. I don't need y'all telling me what to do. I don't need y'all telling me what content to make, how to wear, how my hair should be. I don't care, man. Like, I truly, honestly don't care, so just don't waste your time. I've been bred not to care. My dad literally raised me not to give a fuck, and I don't. I care less than he does, which shocked me once I found that out when I got older. I really don't care. And me not caring allows me to put out content. It has allowed me to drive my career down the direction that it's been going. I had no record label. I had no manager. I had no lawyer. I had no publicist. I had no producer contacts. I had no engineer. I had never been to the studio. I had never wrote a fucking song. And I was 30 years old, 29, about to turn 30. And look at what I've done the past 6 years. I charted #1 on fucking iTunes. You think I care what y'all think? I care about what I think, what's inside of here. I know what I'm supposed to be doing. This isn't my journey. I was chosen by a higher power to do this, so I'm gonna do it. So if 11-year-olds in the comments section talking shit, he's a pussy ass bitch. I've been around them 11-year-old kids. They're pussies. I've been around them when I was 11, when I was 13, when I was 25, 30. I've coached basketball. They're pussies. 16-year-olds, pussies. 25-year-olds, pussies. 30, 40, 50, fill in the blank. Y'all know what they are. Anybody that hides behind a computer and talks shit, you're weak. You're soft. You're insecure. Your life ain't shit. And you try to act like you're in denial. Oh, I'm just trolling, having fun. Bro, it's a reflection of how you feel about yourself. Because as much shit as you talk, do you actually think I'm going to stop? Do you actually think I'm going to take these videos down? Do you actually think I'm not going to make music anymore? Do you actually think I'm going to quit? No, never, ever. Until I want to do it. Ain't gonna have nothing to do with y'all. And it's the exact same mentality y'all need to have. Why do y'all care what other people think so much? That's right, because you follow the fucking shade room. And you're in those comment sections seeing all these broke motherfuckers talking shit about the rich motherfuckers. And you one of the broke motherfuckers talking shit about them. That's right, because you're in the TMZ comment sections. That's right, because you're sharing memes. That's right, when Jada tells Will news that probably has broken his heart more than anything in a romantic relationship, your ass want to make Will Smith crying picture a meme. What kind of person are you to do some shit like that? Jada and Will said that publicly so we can learn from it. And you're using that to elevate yourself, to make yourself feel better, like you're dominant above Will Smith. Will Smith's worth like $400 million, bro. He's a legend. You ain't shit. The internet reveals who you truly are. And a lot of y'all are some insecure pussies. And it's gonna stay that way. But to the people who are real, to the people that put out content consistently, to the people that aren't scared, that aren't fazed by this, you're wasting your time. It's annoying. And eventually, it's gonna jam you up. Don't let these losers who couldn't get on camera to save their life stop you from going after your true calling. What kind of man would I be if I let that happen? What kind of father would I be if I had to look my baby girl in the eyes and tell her, yeah, baby, I let Captain Butt Nuggets 2016, who told me that my content sucks, I should stop forever, stop us from getting forever money. When my daughter's 25 years old, she gonna smack me in the face. Nobody ain't smacking me. We gonna be rich. And she gonna get just forever money, these royalties forever and ever and ever. It's never been easier. You seen Grant Cardone do it. You seen Tai Lopez do it. See Brad do it right here. You seen me do it. How many examples do you need? I teach you how to do it. I got a class that walks you all the way through. I got all types of resources, ebooks, and everything. When are you gonna start investing in your career, investing in your life to change your life? All right, change mine. Whether y'all buy the class or not, my life's still gonna go up. Has your life been going up the past year, past 2 years, past 3 years? Some of y'all, congrats. But for a lot of y'all, the answer is no. Only person can change that is you. You ready to change? You on Instagram, click the link up top. You on YouTube, click the link in the box. I'm out the pond. Y'all stay true.
Scroll, 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 scroll.
Group82university.com.